Yeah, come on. You coming, Peanut? Welcome to Lolo's.
You got things to show me everything.
Okay, look at her front porch for fall. Hi guys, I'm at my mom's house today. Every year she has an Oktoberfest.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Yeah, so I thought it would be really fun to show you just like all of her fall decor, because I know you guys always like my fall decor tours, but we have a different style, but I feel like I get my like enjoyment out of decorating from you.
They call this the Cracker Barrel for a reason.
It is. So if you like the decor, put in the comments hashtag Cracker Barrel House, and I'll kind of show you all around like where she has fall decor in her home and in the backyard.
Meanwhile, I'm gonna make her a drink and me a drink.
Okay, I won't complain. Here's Papa.
I'll be there in a minute.
Peanut. You playing music?
Do this, but I didn't do that. I think it's just that.
Because it's so cute.
I like the pumpkin.
I know. You like the truck and the pumpkins, huh? Oh my god, that mug is so cute.
Oh, I know, I saw that and I was like, bitch, Brianna has this one already.
No, it's so cute. She even has something on her.
I can walk in my bare feet.
Okay.
They're walking my bare feet.
Oh, are you a country boy?
Yeah. I'm just on the grass.
You're gonna go in the grass?
Yeah.
Okay.
With my bare feet on.
Okay, have fun. Here, wait, look what I get to try, you guys. I haven't tried this one yet. Apothic Inferno. So it says it's aged in whiskey barrels. I'm not a whiskey girl, but I'm intrigued to try it. And you know, my love for Apothic.
Mama, what are you drinking? Do you want any like homemade wine or anything? Or I got white wine.
I left the
Like
grape
a
sound
like
for
a
your
rosé.
friend.
There's a sweeter white.
And you want the fruit wine.
Oh.
seem like they disappeared.
Oh, I love you bunches.
See, I did it.
Grandma, that's the German flag because it's Oktoberfest. What you got?
Yay!
What are you doing? Hi.
Wow! Read it. Okay. I'm going to go. You can do the round one.
Hey, little pumpkin.
Why is that on the sidewalk?
Because I just don't want you going up there and getting hurt by accident, okay? You have to stay by your mom. You see Mama, huh? Mama's girl. Alright guys, so that is the fall Oktoberfest decor tour of my mom's home. If you like this, don't forget to click that thumbs up. We definitely, as I'm sure you can see, have different styles or different tastes in how we decorate, but I think you can definitely see where my passion for decorating comes from. And if you guys would like to see a full house tour, because I know I just kind of did like her backyard where the main like party decorations were, and the inside of her home where she has a lot of fall decor, like in fall country decor. But if you want to see like a full country house tour of like the bedrooms and the other rooms in her house, let me know that in the comments. I'll ask her. I have a feeling that she will say yes though. And if you have any other fall videos you'd like to see, let me know those in the comments too. I have a couple that I'm working on, but I always like hearing your ideas. But happy fall y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye loves.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Don't fall.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.